I found the hidden niche, printing $8,000 per month. Free AI workflow included. You're scrolling YouTube, looking for your next video idea. And then you see it, a channel. No face, no voice you recognize, no fancy intro, just simple AI-generated videos, one after another. You click on the channel. 14,000 subscribers, nothing crazy. But then you look at the views. 1.2 million, 800,000, 640,000, 430,000. Every single video crossing hundreds of thousands of views. You do the math. With those numbers, this channel is conservatively pulling $8,000 a month, possibly more. And here is the part that stopped me cold. This channel is only 5 months old. I'll reveal the exact niche in 60 seconds, but first you need to understand why this niche works when everything else feels oversaturated. Because once you understand the mechanism, the whole thing clicks into place. Here's what most creators get wrong. They chase the biggest niches. Tech, finance, motivation. Millions of channels, millions of videos. Impossible to break through as a beginner. But this hidden niche sits in a completely different lane. High advertiser demand, low creator competition, and an audience that watches every single video to the end. We're talking RPMs between $12 and $22 per 1,000 views. That's 2 to 3 times what a typical AI tools channel earns. And because this niche is still under the radar, a brand new channel can rank on the first page within weeks, not months, weeks. Now I'll tell you exactly what the niche is. Personal finance for young adults. Not generic finance, not stock tips, not crypto. Specifically, budgeting, saving habits, debt payoff, and money mindset content targeted at 18 to 28-year-olds. This audience is desperately searching for answers. They're broke, overwhelmed, and nobody is talking to them in a way they actually understand. And that gap is exactly where your channel lives. Now let me show you exactly how to build this channel and create these videos using nothing but free AI tools. Starting from zero. No budget, no experience, no team. Step 1. Channel setup. Open ChatGPT free plan. Use this prompt. Generate 10 YouTube channel name ideas for a personal finance channel targeting 18 to 28-year-olds. Names must feel relatable, modern, and slightly edgy. Not corporate, not boring. Pick the name that feels most natural to you. For this tutorial, I'm going with Broke to Solid. Now go to YouTube and create your channel. Set your channel handle. Add a short, punchy channel description using ChatGPT. Here is the prompt. Write a YouTube channel description for a personal finance channel called your channel name, targeting young adults aged 18 to 28 who are struggling with budgeting, debt, and building savings. Make it feel real, relatable, and direct. No corporate language. Now here is a setting most creators completely skip. Go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings, change your country to United States, change your currency to US dollars, set video language to English United States, set your channel category to education. This one setting can increase your RPM by 40 to 60% overnight. USA-based audiences even if your channel is brand new. Step 2. Topic and script generation. Open ChatGPT. Paste this prompt. Generate 20 viral YouTube video ideas for a personal finance channel targeting broke 18 to 28-year-olds. Topics must feel urgent, relatable, and slightly painful, like they're reading the viewer's diary. Format as a numbered list. You will have 20 ready-to-use ideas in seconds. For this video, I'm going with this topic. Why are you still broke at 25, even though you're trying? Now generate your script using this prompt. Write a complete YouTube video script on the topic, your topic. The target audience is 18 to 28-year-olds struggling financially. Tone must be real, direct, and slightly tough love. Include a strong hook in the first 30 seconds, a mid-video retention spike, and a powerful closing message. The script should be 10 to 12 minutes when read aloud. Within seconds, you have a complete production-ready script. Step 3. Voiceover generation. Copy your full script. Go to ElevenLabs free plan. 10,000 credits every month. No payment required. Go to Voices. Search for Adam. Deep storytelling voice. Add it to your library. Go to Text to Speech. Select Adam. Paste your script. Hit Generate. Download the audio. Your voiceover is ready in under 2 minutes. Now here is the step that separates good videos from viral videos. Do not generate your visuals before your voiceover is ready. Voiceover first. Always. Because every scene you create should be born from a natural pause in the audio. Not guessed, not forced, built around the rhythm of the voice. This is the exact reason some AI channels explode and others flatline with the same tools. Step 4. Visual generation. Open Google AI Studio. Free plan, no credit card. Go to Single Speaker Audio. This gives you the transcript of your voiceover with exact timestamps. Now you know precisely where each scene starts and ends. Take the image prompt for scene 1. Open Google Flow. New project. Turn agent mode off. Select image mode. Aspect ratio 16:9. Model set to Nano Banana 2. Paste scene 1 prompt. Generate. Your first scene is ready. Now here is where most people waste 3 hours. With 80 to 100 scenes in a 12-minute video, generating them one by one manually is not a workflow, it's a punishment. Go to Google and search ZappyFlow Chrome extension. It's completely free, built specifically for this workflow. Make sure the developer name says zappywala.ai before you install. Add it to Chrome. Pin it. Launch it. Set image mode. Aspect ratio 16:9. Output per prompt 1. Model Nano Banana 2. Paste all your scene prompts. 1 line break between each. Hit generate. Walk away. The extension generates and downloads every single image automatically in the background. You do not have to watch it. You do not have to babysit it. Just do not close the tab. Step 5. Editing. Open Filmora or CapCut. Both are free to start. Import your voiceover. Drag it to the timeline. Remove silent gaps. In Filmora, use silence detection. Analyze. Finish and replace. Import all your scene images in sequence. Sync each image to its timestamp from the voiceover. Add push-right transitions between clips. Set to 13 frames in Filmora, 0.5 seconds in CapCut. Add a click sound effect with every push transition. For longer clips, use flash transitions with a short whoosh sound effect at 1.4 times speed. Select all sound effects. Reduce volume to -8 decibels. Do a full preview from the beginning. If the rhythm feels natural, export the video. Step 6. Metadata and upload. Go back to ChatGPT. Use this prompt. Generate a viral YouTube title, SEO optimized description, and 25 tags for a personal finance video titled Your Topic. The target audience is broke 18 to 28-year-olds in the USA. The title must trigger curiosity and feel slightly personal. For your thumbnail, use this prompt. Generate 5 high CTR thumbnail concepts for a personal finance video targeting young adults. Each concept must use a 3-panel layout: problem panel, confusion panel, solution panel. Include bold text overlays and color contrast guidance. Name your video file with the exact title before uploading. Do the same for your thumbnail file. Upload between 8:30 p.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The best days are Sunday and Monday for maximum USA traffic. That is the complete system. A hidden niche with $12 to $22 RPM. A free AI stack that handles everything from script to upload. And a workflow you can repeat every single week. The channel I found when I started digging? It crossed 1.2 million views on its first video. You now have the exact system they used. The only question left is whether you're going to use it. Hit the like button if this helped you, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see the exact thumbnail formula that drives 40% of this channel's clicks, that video is linked above. See you inside.